camp. You're on video. You're on Candid Camera. Candid Camera. Hey, what you sniffing? What you want to do? Come on. Who's barking? Who is that? You want to go figure it out? You're a good walker. You're not tugging anymore. All right, we're at the street. We gotta look both ways, right? You probably just want to go home now that you peed, right? You probably just want to go home because you peed and now you want belly rubs. Look at me. Give me your face. Give me your face. Aww. Good boy. Alright, you want to go home? Whoop. Oh, you're a little tangled there, dude.